Hello everyone, I'm Shivraj. Welcome to my presentation on job trend analysis, insights, and impacts. And coming towards my projects, job trend analysis in today's world, it's evolving in market. Technology-driven roles are leading in the way. Our analysis shows that positions such as like data scientists and data engineers are among the fastest growing careers in tech. For example, data scientist roles are projected to grow by around 36% in this decade. Alongside this, we see emerging opportunities beyond traditional tech sectors like AI specialists, information security analysts as well, and in even in healthcare and green energy. There are some keen demanding skills includes familiar roles like Excel, programming languages such as Python and cloud technologies as we know. Notably, like many high salaries for advanced data roles reflect the strong demand for specialized expertise along all of these words and underscore a clear message that continuous learning and adaptability are like very much essential for both individual and organizations. So like coming to understanding this real job trend analysis is very crucial for us in job sectors. So the even the students and job seekers are very much curious about it. And today I'll like walk through all of my project, like what I have done and why it's matters so important to us. And coming to the project goals and stakeholders, the main goals of the projects were like very impactful. We have aimed the high growth career paths like within the data and technology sectors using current market trends and data analysis. Second, we set out some pinpoint the most sought after technical skills and common and many things that employees are looking in emergency roles. And this project is defined to benefit some several stakeholders such as students and job seekers they who are clarify on their which roles their skills for growing opportunities in the data driven job market. The findings also can help individuals make some career decisions and some another people who are looking for us employees and educators who are already a business who are involved in some business and can use these insights to anticipate their needs and identify some skill gaps in their workforce. This allows companies to refine their hiring and training strategies, whether that the recruiting can be used for skill sets or investing in upskilling their programs for their current employees. And the policymakers also is a very useful need of this project. Government agencies and the policymakers can draw the analysis to design the support workforce training programs and thereby some they can maximize the employment opportunities for the community. And coming to the data resources, like how I collected the data for this project is to some I and to know more about the job market have record some trends. We started by gathering some multiple reliable sources and applying some analytical approaches or my analysis combined both some historical salary data and current job postings. So we draw from true primary sources of the data. And first source was Glassdoor salary data set, which is I gathered the data through AP5 APA, which provided a wealth of information and compensation of job details of various related roles to gather more insights while preparing. And another data set what I took is from the GitHub link, which provided over 1,100 jobs of various sectors. And for data preparation, I have cleaned and merged the data in so that the data doesn't get any loss and the accuracy of the model will be pretty well. And I also remove some unnecessary data by removing the duplicates and irrelevant postings, which is not even needed for this process. And coming to the methodology, I have implemented many techniques so that we get more insights such as supervised and unsupervised. In supervised, we have done some clustering techniques, and in unsupervised also we did k-means, pc, and many process so that our data looks so good and we can get many insights out of it. And these are some insights about the data set we collected from all the APIs, and we combined and took the meaningful insights. So coming towards the key findings of this projects, the growing job roles, like trends, we can see that data scientists have many goals right now, and data analysis as well, and emerging opportunities across the sectors. Like our analysis also highlighted some significant growth. Several sectors outside of traditionally think of as tech job sectors, and in the healthcare sectors, role like some nurse practitioners are expanding by over 40%. And in the green energy sector, jobs such as some wind turbine technicians are also growth of 50%. And there are many jobs occurring this IT sectors, as we know, like it's going growth as well. In coming to in demand of what skills like most people are seeing towards now, we took a look of some skills that employees are asking for in job postings, and the findings were like enlightening. Excel remains the most important process of it's approximately like needed 64% in job we analyzed. This might be surprising. I know that in age of some sophisticated programming, but it underscores and fundamental data handling and spreadsheet skills are critical even though right now. Python is also leading programming language in demand, showing like 39% of postings. In that confirms the Python status as dominant language of data. And some we also have to see the soft skills which is necessary in this day-to-day world. uh, while technical skills are crucial, our analysis also reinforce that skills, such soft skills, which plays some vital role in our success, especially in data focused job. We often saw references to communication and problem solving abilities in job description, even if they weren't as quantifiable as a programming language. Its effective communicative is essential because it needs to translate some complex data insights teams. No matter how great the analysis, if you cannot explain it clearly to the stakeholders, it won't have that much impact. Then salary trends, and for like we know like many people are interested in data scientists and some is data analysis, but the salary, if we go through all this field, we analyze some salary of data for different job roles, and it revealed a clear progression as one moves into specialized positions. Salaries levels within data roles vary significantly, reflecting both experience and specializes. For especially entry, for instance entry level or jobs such as data analyst positions, we tend to start new for a lower and end of the spectrum. And data scientists and engineers command some high level of salaries, they because they have some experience as well, so that it could have a more amount of profit for them. And in this data set, the average salary for data scientists will be 219k dollars, and it will be similar as data engineer. And coming towards the salary distribution, some data analysts generally earn some around like 50,000 to 120, and data analysts generally earn about an average of 219k. So because these data scientists are especially have more experience compared to the data analysts, data analysts have small role, such as just getting the insights from data, but the data scientist has to learn more and gain implement models so that they can get output from it. And coming to some machine learning algorithms and in clustering insights, what we got through this project, we understand the data jobs. We use some machine learning algorithms in clustering analysis, which gives us an interesting perspective on how job postings are grouped together. The algorithm automatically clusters the job posting based on similarities in required skills and other attributes, and it's essentially identify two distinct clusters of roles. One cluster corresponds to data analysis position, which is characterized by a heavy emphasis of on Excel and relatively minimal coding, which is advanced or some other advanced programming skills. These roles in this analyst cluster generally aligned with lower salary ranges and to mid-level positions, focused on reporting and reporting how this works. So these roles in the analysis generally aligned with loyal salary. And the second cluster grouped along is data scientists and data engineers, which were marked by strong programming requirements like frequent mentions of Python proficiency with the AWS Spark and more cloud services as well. And they also, since it's high tech, they have earned more salaries. And these findings paint some comprehensive picture. Paint on current job trends, we have identified where the growth is in terms and which skills are most valued. So these are some visualizations on the clustering things for the both data analysis position and data scientist position which we have done. So coming for the conclusions and the key takeaway is in technical skills and plus soft skills opportunity that proficiency in the right technical skills is very critical. We have learned from this project. Uh, the real formula for success is combining both strong and effective soft skills. And on technical side, they have to learn more about Python and Python, like and cloud services like AWS. And some high growth sectors, the job market is expanding significantly in certain sectors, and aware of this can help target one more efforts. And coming to some continuous learning, so learning more things and help your profile build such doing more projects and collaborating with work force preparedness, like finally preparing the future of the work is not something any of the do alone. Educations companies and government must work together in order to get more job opportunities and open many jobs in the market so that students can get go into work easily and learn more things. This is like all the insights which we have got from this projects, and this is the learning which I have done throughout this project, and thank you for giving this opportunity.